this out. Check out this snow. Never get snow like this. I almost fucking. Whoa! I wore the wrong kind of shoes. Oh shit! It's gonna be a fun day. I kind of wish we didn't have to come to work so we can play outside. But we'll have fun anyway. Does that count as a snowball? Dude.
You're gonna snitch, dude.
No, I'm not snitching. It's just for leverage. Just like, hey man, you want to pick up my weekend coverage? Nah. Alright, well I got footage of you throwing a snowball, so how about now? Yeah, we just found out that it's illegal to throw a snowball in Rio Rancho.
Oh, you'll get arrested.
It's 2018, man. We're dealing with real problems out here.
People starving.
Yeah,
Michigan
man.
ain't got good water.
But it's illegal to throw a snowball. That's crazy. Dude, did I tell you? I was fucking getting out of your car and I fucking... Again, dude. I definitely wore the wrong type of shoes.
And I was just talking about that.
I know, dude. So, with all this snow, I had to bring the drone out so we can get some footage. See what it looks like from up there. I'm excited. Now, it is a little windy and it's still snowing, so it's gonna be a little bit challenging. But I've been flying this drone for 2 days now, so I think I can handle it. I'm like experienced now. So, let's get it.
Here, can I try?
No.
Here, can I try?
What if I can't even do it? Go get the drone, dude.
What drone?
Is those things on?
What?
Those things on?
From this.
Where are you going?
He said get the drone.
But you told him to get the drone.
You have to calibrate there before you fly yours? There's a trampoline.